Hey guys, Smuggler's World here, and today I'm going to build Wolfman from the 1941 movie of the same name. So we're going to go to minifigures. We're going to go to lower parts here. We're going to go with this pair here. We're going to change it to the sand blue. Then we're going to minifigures upper parts, Lego ideas, and we're going to use one of the torsos from the Big Bang Theory. We're going to center it so we can see it a little better. We change the hands to gray. And then you can just type in wolf and you get the heads. You can either go this one, but that one has glasses and is from Red Riding Hood. It looks kind of weird. Or you can go with this one, which is, like the regular one. I prefer going with this one because it makes a lot of sense. And that is how you make Wolfman, the Wolfman from the 1941 movie. Now, there has been different versions where he has a green shirt and like navy blue pants. But there's one picture where he's wearing a red shirt and these kind of like a sand blue or navy blue pants. But it works either way. And this is just my version of making the Wolfman. And if you saw my Dracula one on Monday, if you saw my Dracula build I did on Monday, like I said, you guys would know I was planning on doing like a stop motion, a gaslight, horror by gaslight, I think it was called. I wrote it in the description of when I did Dracula. So I'm just going to put in a tutorial on how to make that one right now. So it's basically like the same thing with I did with Dracula. Basic thing I did with Dracula. Use the same parts of the Caribbean parts, or you could just, turn them into the gray parts there. But I just like this one. I just like this torso in particular. It's kind of cool. It also fits the Wolfman, basically. It basically fits Wolfman. But, yeah. So that's how you make the Wolfman. If you like this tutorial, go out and check my Dracula, Count Orlok, Nosferatu build. And on Friday, I'll be doing Frankenstein's monster. So I will see you guys later. Bye.